Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a demo slash show you how to the magnetic lashes. I cannot speak today. I cannot say, I keep saying magnetic lashes. I'm going to be showing you guys the magnetic accents and the magnetic lashes. I prefer the lashes over the accents. These both retailed for $11 at like Sally's is where I got them. They're out of the box because I was playing with them for the video. This is after I showed you guys how to use them. But yeah, and these are in the full length lashes, the ones that I prefer because I don't really care about the accent ones, they're just called accents, are the double demi wispies. And yeah, so if you guys are looking for the style that I have on, those are them. They are the most cheapest ones that I know, and I think they look the most naturalist after you do the little hack that I show you guys in the video. So if you guys would like to see how I put these on and how they look, please keep watching. Alright, so first what you're going to want to do is get a eyelash curler, and you're going to curl your lashes. I have so much stuff on my desk, I'm sorry. You're going to curl your lashes, and I'm just going to do that really quick. It's simple. If you guys know how to do it, you know how to do it. If you don't, I guess watch me, but just be careful with these, okay? Alright, so also I made a mistake with my eyeliner right there, so please excuse that. I was so angry because this lip took forever to do. But yeah, so just curl your lashes like so. Nothing big, I barely have lashes. So yeah, this is so your lashes have something to lay on, because if your eyelashes are just straight, they're gonna fall off. So next, what you're gonna want is a mascara, any mascara that you prefer. I have the Bad Girl Bang mascara. You can use any mascara, it really doesn't make a difference. You just want something to put on your lashes, because if you put the false, I'm gonna leave one lash without mascara and one lash with mascara, just to show you guys how dumb, that's a bad word, how weird it looks if you don't have mascara. So I'll put the mascara on my left eye, and this is self-explanatory. You guys know how to put on mascara, so I'll probably just speed this up, but yeah, put as much as you would like. Oh, and you guys are probably like, so do I need to put on eyeliner? No, I barely ever put on eyeliner. Like this is a once in a lifetime type of thing. I barely ever put it on, and they looked good without it, so yeah. And make sure you get every lash, the inner corner, all of it. Okay, they're starting to look a little splattery. Oopsies. Alright, so there's a lash with mascara on it, and there's a lash with no mascara on it. And pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to take, I'm going to first show you guys how the accent lashes look, because I don't like them at all. And Kathleen Lights told me that these were her favorites. She couldn't get the lash strips to work, so that's why I was like, oh, the accents will work better. Yeah, no. No, sis, I did not like those. Alright, so when you open it, they come in like this. Also, make sure you guys have tweezers. You're gonna need tweezers as well. And you're going to also need scissors. So you're gonna take the lashes, and they look like this. Okay, now you're gonna see right here, hopefully it doesn't focus on me, that there's two pieces, and you take them apart like that. So look at it, attaches. Anyways, just not gonna show. Pretty much they're magnetic. So there's two pieces, and one lays on the other one. Focus on these, focus on these. Don't focus on me. It's not gonna focus. Alright, either way. There's two lashes, and one falls on top of the other like so. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take them apart, and make sure that it's the long, so you're gonna be able to see that longest lash and then the shortest lash. So you want to make sure that you put it going from the biggest side of the lash to the lowest side of the lash. I'm horrible at explaining stuff. So you guys are going to put the lash at the end of your lash like that, like so. And then with your tweezers and with the other lash, you're going to take the bottom one and make sure this is as close to the base of your lashes as possible. And you're going to put this right under it, like that. So that's how it's gonna look. Now, maybe you guys think this looks good. I don't. I think it looks weird. If I look up, you can see how weird it is, because you can see the difference between my actual lashes, between the long lashes. It does not look good. This is not a good look to me. I don't know if I like that. Now I'm going to do it on my other eye with the accent lashes to show you how weird it looks when you don't have any mascara on. It might not show up as much as it would if you didn't have eyeliner on, but it doesn't look good. So I'm going to put the lash on top of my lashes, or a black spider, and then make sure it's as close to the base as possible. And look, it's barely holding on to my lashes because I don't have anything for it to hold on. So that's why you need mascara, because my lash is gonna fall off. I feel like it's gonna come off. Okay, you're gonna take the lash and you're going to put it like that. That was a fail because it didn't go all the way. So another thing that's really cool, so I'm gonna show you guys this, is that you can take the tweezers. Mine's are metal, so since they're magnets, all I have to do is do that and it takes the lashes off. You see that? It took them right off. Crazy. I'm gonna put it on top of my lash and attempt to make it look good again. See, it's falling off. It's fall. You guys see it's falling off? Oh my gosh. Okay. And then we're going to. It didn't even go on really. That was a fail. This one looks really bad. Can you guys see how bad that looks? That one looks really bad. It's barely even on there, and I'm not gonna even try to, because these are the ones I'm not trying to show you guys, but I just want to show you how the accents look. But yeah, so that's how they look. So those are those, and take those off, and you just slide them off. They're not gonna hurt your lashes or anything. They're quick, they're easy. Like, to be honest, these are really easy to put on. Like, I prefer them. Okay, so we're gonna use the full strip lashes. My face, okay. So if these are the full lashes, take them out because you can barely see them in here. Now, I wish I had a pair to show you guys that I didn't cut yet, but this is a hack on how to make the full strip lashes look good. So this is them in there. They're kind of connected because they're magnetic. So these are the two lashes in there. So I'm gonna make sure I get the left eye one first. Is this it? Yes. Okay. Now it's gonna look a little wonky. You guys are gonna be like, why the hell does this look like this? But there is a reason. Okay, so this is how this lash looks. Come on, focus. So this is how this lash looks. Now I cut it in threes. It was a full lash, like this. Let me take it apart. So I'm gonna show you there's three parts of this. So there's one piece. You guys see? That's the mid piece. Then there's the center piece that I cut, and the outer piece. Now, this is how the full lash looks, like that. So that's how the other piece, because there's two that attach to each other, so that's how the other one looked. But what I did was I cut it into threes. Now I'm gonna try to show you guys this without it unfocusing on me. So as you can see, there's 4 different magnets. This one magnet you're gonna cut by itself, and you're gonna cut it right here before you get to the second one. And then there's the 2 magnets in the middle, and you're gonna cut at the end of the 3rd magnet, and then you're gonna have the last magnet left, if you get what I'm saying. So why you're gonna do that is because it goes with the curvature of your eye easier than if you were to just have this full lash, because it's not gonna go on natural looking. This is how I cut them. The one lash into threes. This one wants to be stupid. But yeah, that's how I cut them into threes. Let's start with this left side of my eye. you're going to get the full lash, and what you're going to do is, this one's a little wonky because I've had it on before, so you just want to turn it to make it so it's not so straight anymore. You're going to get your tweezers and you're going to lay it on the top of your eye like so. Now you want to make sure it's as close to the base of your lashes on all sides. Okay, got it on there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get the first outer lash that you cut with the one magnet. Now this is the outside, so what you're going to do is get the lash and place it on the outside like that. Simple. So simple. I love it. Okay, so we got the outer piece connected. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the middle piece with the two magnets, and we're going to snap that with other magnets in the middle. And bam, there that is. Okay. After several attempts of trying to make it look the way that I needed it to, because it just didn't want to work with me for the video, but this is how it's supposed to look, and it will look like this. This was literally only four tries, but as you guys can see, this is how the lash looks, and I can keep fixing it to make it look good, but I think it looks much better than the accent lashes. So what do you guys think? Compared to the accent lashes, I think it's really natural looking, and it looks really good, and it goes with the curvature of your eyes, so it looks like I just put on a fake lash. Like, look at me. So I'm going to put on the other one on with the eye that has no mascara and show you guys how much of a fail that is. Alright, since I don't really care about this eye, this is as close as it gets, but I could get it more closer on the inner part, but as you guys can see, it's barely attached. But this is how it looks, and overall it doesn't look as great as these ones do. I don't think it looks that bad because I have eyeliner on, but this side with the mascara, I think looks the most naturalist, and I love how it looks. So I'm going to just put mascara on this eye, put the lashes back on, and come back. Bam. What do y'all think? What do you guys think? Now, mind you, you can see the magnets kind of on the top of these lashes a little bit, and you can just put like black Sharpie or something, or like because it was like white on the top of the magnets when I first did it. You just put black Sharpie, eyeliner, something on it to make it not noticeable, but like, to be honest, I walked out with these like this, guys, and like, look at them. I feel like they look so good. They look so good. Look at it. This is crazy. So I did get this hack from someone on YouTube. I will link the video that I found below. This is not my idea, so thank God to them, because I thought I wasted a good freaking like $30 by buying these two lashes because they both cost the same. But this is how they look, guys, and I think they look really good. I think they look really good. Down, look up, and then so I'm just gonna take some mascara, waterproof mascara for my bottom lashes, and be right back. Alright guys, and that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you how to put on the magnetic lashes. Like I said in the video, these are the magnetic Ardell lashes, and I did get them in accents, and I got them in the full band lash, and the style for the full band is the double demi wispies. So if you guys are looking to see which ones I have on my eyes and the ones that I prefer, these are them. They retailed for $11. I just want to make sure I put that all out there. But these lashes are super easy to put on, super easy to learn. If you do the cutting them into 3 strips, it'll be the most easiest, naturalist thing you've ever done. As you guys can see, this is how they look on me. It was quick. I hate putting on lashes. this made it so much easier, and I was so happy that I figured this out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys would like any other try videos, if you would like me to try something else, or review it, first impressions or something that's crazy. I don't know, because I thought magnetic lashes were really weird at first, but they look good. I do, and they worked good. And I did this eye look for you guys, so I hope you appreciate it. This video was a mess. I'm all over the place. Oh my god. Can I ever do a video right?